Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I have my latest in beauty. It's a subscription box with a wee bit of a difference if you haven't seen it before. Latest in Beauty actually let you pick your items. So they have a product of every month. It's the hero product and they guarantee stocks for everybody. And they also now do a drop of different products every week. And they do tell you in advance what the products will be. However, they don't tell you when they're coming out. So I wasn't really kind of too sure what I wanted to order. So I did wait a little bit longer than usual, but don't kind of like wait over your 4 weeks because they'll send you out a box that they make up for you. And I've only seen it happen a couple of times and it wasn't very good at all. However, in waiting, I did miss the serum, which had been in stock until I went to order and they've run out, but hey ho. I've got 2 of them, so I'm happy. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I've got. So I'm a pre-existing customer, which means I get 9 items for £18 plus postage and packaging. However, if you're new to Latest in Beauty, you'll only get 6. And I think it's about £12.95 plus postage and packaging. And then if you're subscribed for a few months, I think you just pay the £12.95. I'm sure that's how it works. I do have a code below if you're interested that gives you money off your first box. Right, so I'm going to dip into the box and show you what I've got. So the first item here is a Pharmaceris. It's for allergic and sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, soothing foam face and eye cleanser. Never heard of this brand before. How much is in it? 150ml. So that's actually quite a lot of product there. So whenever I see face serums or cleansers or things like that, I usually pick them up. Depending on the size, you always check the size because some items come and they're tiny. But yep, really happy with this one. And it's a new brand I've never tried, so always happy to try a new brand as well. I also, you're maybe wondering what's going on with my hair. I tried, I got sent a product to try by Influencer, and it was the Tiggy Bedhead curl defining cream. So yeah, I kind of feel like I've had a burn looking at it, but not quite impressed by it actually. So the next item I've got here is OPI, and it's Gel Break 2 treatment system, sheer colour, properly pink. There we go. So I do like OPI, but it says sheer layer of colour leaves nails naturally perfected. Available in 3 nude shades, designed to perfectly complement a broad spectrum of skin tones. Used with Gel Break serum infused base coat and protective top coat. No light curing needed. So you apply it to clean dry nails. 1 coat of serum followed by 2 coats of the colour and the gel protector, which must be the top coat. So however, they only had this in the box, so this is what I picked up. I have taken my polish off. I'm actually doing a bit of gardening, so my nails actually look a bit rank. All kind of broke as well, that's why I took my polish off. Looking fine yesterday and today they're all broken. So that's it there. I'm going to pop it on and I'm going to show you. Honestly, I just dropped it. I'm going to try and show you on a nail that's relatively tidy. So I don't know if you can see, it just kind of makes it look like it is sheer, but it just kind of gives it that kind of French polish look to it. Quite nice actually. Just want to add a wee bit polish, but you don't want to go OTT. You might actually get away with that if you work somewhere that doesn't allow you to wear nail polish. However, you might get caught, so don't do it. Don't say I told you this. The next one is the Curl Cream, which is from the Curl Company, and I really like this product. So it was still on offer, well, still available, so I picked it. I mean, I do probably get through one of these maybe every couple of weeks, so it's about £7.99 if you're buying it in the shop, so I'm happy. Pick that up whenever I see it, and because I do like this brand. It's cheap as chips, to be honest with you. It's Dirty Works, but it's their vitamin C face scrub. There we go. So I do have a couple of those already and just waiting to be used. The next item I got here was Laritzi lip gloss. If you can see that, there we go. And I'll take it out of the box and I will show you. Now I picked this up, I'm not going to open it, but I picked it up to start putting in a giveaway box. So just start and get some products for that. I also picked up this Barium palette, Wildlife, and it says here, bees are vital to our ecosystem, responsible for pollinating up to a third of our food. But in the past decade, more than 30% of the UK's bee population has disappeared and 3 bumblebee species have become extinct. That's why we partnered with People's Trust for Endangered Species, PTES, a charity that protects some of the UK's most threatened wildlife species and habitats, to create our British Wildlife Collection will help to raise awareness and funds for wildlife conservation. So 20% of the net profits of this sale goes towards that trust. So, and actually that's what's really nice about kind of living out here. When we lived in the city, I hardly ever saw any bees, but I've planted loads of flowers and things, so the back garden is full of bees. And I bought a little bird bath, but the birds don't use it, but the bees and the wasps do, which is really nice. So I always make sure that's topped up. Wow, these colours are stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I've turned it kind of upside down, but it's got little bees on it, and it's packaging, so absolutely gorgeous. However, I am going to pop this. I like the way the palette closes as well. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to pop it in my giveaway pile, and that was the purpose of actually picking it up. The next one here was something that I think it was Sharon, you told me about, the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and I think I got one last month, but while it's on there I'm going to get it because this is my colour. It's long wear lipstick. It's like a matte, but it's not got that horrible matte feeling. So today I put a matte on, but I put a lip gloss over it, which I always think makes a difference. So I'm going to try and open this and show you. So if you're buying a full size one of these, it's about £21. Of course, I've opened the packaging upside down, and I do have a full size one, but these little ones are perfect for your handbag or if you're going away on holiday. And actually, once my other one runs out, so kind of that's it there. It's so nice on. So I'm probably just going to pick one up every time I go in and order now. But it is nice. I do like the colour. And the top of the lid, that shows you what the colour is. I think it's petal. I'm sure it's something like that. Yeah, petal. It's on the top. There's me trying to find it. What else have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is one of these ones. You know when I said check the sizes? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8. So this is number 8. This is Arbonne, and it says Speaks Volumes Mascara. Now that looks like it's been a little kind of Christmas set, doesn't it? So just tiny, teeny little mascara. There we go. Again though, if you were going away for a couple of days and you don't want to take a big makeup bag, that'd be perfect. So I'll probably keep that along with my Bare Minerals one as like a wee kind of holiday makeup set. Last but not least, there's also 2 little freebies in here as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Last but not least, I picked this up. It was in there by Arbonne, which I think is a direct sales company. But you get the bag, which I think is like a gift on its own, isn't it? Like a little makeup bag. And inside you get this. So I'm going to open it and show you. So if you follow Barium, you might have seen that this was one of the picks that she does videos just showing what's up and coming, and I think this was one of the things that she had said she would pick. So it's fantastic. It opens up, it's got a mirror, so I'm not going to blind you with that, but it's got 4 eyeshadows, a blush, a bronzer and a lip gloss duo. Now those colours are all my kind of shades as well. Just see if I can take the plastic off so you can actually see the colours a wee bit better. How nice are those? And then the lip gloss. So this again, that would be perfect for taking away as well. So it's a double-ended lip gloss, which I think is fantastic. So you've got this side. I'll just swatch this one for you. Quite sheer actually, which is fine. It's just a lip gloss. And the other one is much, it's kind of darker, but there you go. They're lovely, aren't they? I'll swatch the blush. I'll swatch it for you actually. Oh, the blush is really sheer. The blush and the bronzer are really, really sheer. You can probably very faintly see them. So I'll just do the shadows. They're quite sheer as well actually. They feel weird. They really feel weird to touch them. Well, that one's got lots of nice glitter in it. The last one looks quite dark. So that's the kind of 4 colours there. So yeah, I think that's a nice wee set. I definitely can't give it away now, can I? Put my fingers in it. But no, I think that's nice. Not the most pigmented, but nice and subtle. But the matte shades felt really weird when I put my fingers in them. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm going to show you the little freebies that I got. So this is an Ellie Saab Girl of Now Lovely perfume. These wee samples are perfect for your handbag as well, and I know a lot of people like the Ellie Saab. We've had one of these samples before, it's not been this one, and talking about fantastic for travel sizes, these little moisturisers that they sometimes throw in are perfect. So you get your 2 freebies. I got the Arbonne face palette with a lip gloss in the bag, the Barium Wildlife palette, which I'll be giving away, the lip gloss, which I will be giving away, the mascara and the lipstick, which I'm probably going to make up a wee travel bag with, the face scrub, the Curl Company, the OPI and the foamer. So I think that's actually not too bad for kind of £18, is it? And there'd be nothing limiting you that, you know, I picked a couple of smaller items, but if you're only on the 6 items, you could have picked all the large items or the more expensive items. There is no limit. Some people do go on and they'll see things that are quite expensive and they'll do it that way. Or sometimes they'll work out the prices and order on that way, but I think most people just order what they kind of fancy or what they feel like. But no, it's a box. It's one of the few boxes that well, it was the only box I actually kept going when I cancelled all the rest of them. But I like the fact you can pick and you can stock up. So like hair products, cleansers, things like that. It's always got a good mix for me. But this month there was kind of quite a bit of makeup, so I thought, oh, I'll get some bits and pieces and I'll add it to my giveaway. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and that way when I do the giveaway you can enter. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.